Hi, this is Subramanian. Now I am presenting career opportunities for electronics and communication engineers. After the completion of the undergraduation or post-graduation in EC department, students have the two types of career choices. That is our core side, second one is other side. Coming to our core side, main important fields are embedded system, VLSI, DSP, circuit designing, mobile communications and networking. Coming to the embedded system, the main aim of the embedded system is to design automatic electronic devices. Based on the applications of the embedded systems are categorized into two types. One is embedded system without operating system, second one is embedded system with operating system. Coming to the embedded system without operating system, here we are using a processing element as microcontrollers like 8051 microcontroller or PIC microcontroller or ARM microcontroller or Atmega microcontroller or AVR microcontroller. So many microcontrollers are present in nowadays. And the main examples for this embedded system without OS are AC, refrigerator, microwave, washing machines, TVs, etc. Coming to the next category, embedded system with operating system. In embedded system with operating system, we are using as a processing element as microprocessor. That is, for example, Samsung S3C2440. This is ARM9 microprocessor. Next, operating system as we are using as a Linux. Next, coming to the job opportunities in embedded system, totally we are having four types of jobs. That means first one is developing applications on the microcontrollers. Next one, developing system software for the embedded system, embedded Linux. Next one, developing device driver for the embedded Linux. Next one, developing socket programming for embedded Linux. These are the main important fields in embedded system. Before getting the job, we have knowledge on the microcontrollers, microprocessors and peripherals and the embedded C. Next, coming to the next category, very large scale integrators, that means VLSI. The main motive of the VLSI is to design integrated circuits. For designing this VLSI integrated circuits, for job categories we are having two types of fields. One is a front-end designing, second one is back-end designing. In front-end designing, first of all we have to take the problem, and to solve that we have to develop the program on VHDL or Verilog or System C. After developing the program, we have to simulate that one. After simulation, we have to observe the waveforms on model sim. Next, after the verification of the waveforms, we have to synthesize that output. After the synthesized output will be coming in RTL description. That is the front end process. Here we are designing a just prototype. Next, coming to the back end, here in background we are taking that RTL description is given to the input, the floor planning tool. That floor planning tool is process that RTL description code and gives the output. That output is again given to the input to the placement tool. That in that placement tool we are placing the different logical circuits into different places. After that placement tool is completed, next we have to given that input to the routing tool. This routing tool will connect those logical circuits for making a circuit. After that one we have to given that output into the layout tool. After that we will get the GDS format. This GDS format is given to the physical manufacturing IC element that will design the integrated circuit. Like this, in VLSI we are having two types of jobs. One is a front-end job, second one is the back-end job. Next, coming to the digital signal processing. In this digital signal processing, we are using a processing element as digital signal processor, DSP processor. That is high-end processor, specific microprocessor. In this we have to develop the latest algorithms for processing that signal. That signals may be a speech signal or music signal or biomedical signal, that may be image or video, or it may be a radar signal. Okay, we have to develop the different algorithms based on signals. Next, coming to the circuit design. This electronic circuit designing, for designing electronic circuit, we have to first take the circuit on paper. After that one, we have to test the circuit on breadboard. After completion of the breadboard verification, we have to design a PCB. After PCB design is completed, we have to totally mount on the all the elements on the PCB. After mounting, we have to integrate that with the our electronic device. Okay, that is the circuit designer jobs prerequisite. Next, coming to the mobile communication. Nowadays mobile communication is so popular. For getting the job in mobile communication engineer, we have to knowledge on the network switching, communication basics, wired communication, wireless communication. These are all comes under in our subjects only. Next one, coming to the networking. In networking, we are mainly concentrated on the security protocols. That means we are having the LAN and WAN protocol for communicating one system to the another system. In that communications, for giving a security to the systems, we have to use these protocols. Okay, for getting knowledge on these protocols, nowadays we are having so many certified courses are there. These are the certified courses. That means CCNP, CCNA, CCIE, CCENT. After getting any one of the after completion of the any one of these certification courses, we can easily get the job. Next, other side. Coming to the other side, only the EC department people can have the switching capability from our EC department to the another department. That means we can switch it to the information technology side. That means most of the EC department people can switching into the web designing side, or database management side, or application software design side, or testing side. Or we can shift it to the electrical side also. That means most of the EC people are interested to shift into power plants. These are the main EC department core companies presented in India. Okay, in most of these are the some few Indian government based companies. That means BEL, DRDO, ISRO, BHEL, ECIL, and TPC. These are the Indian based government companies, and these are all the MNC, major MNC companies presented in India. Coming to the next topic, salary. Coming to the salary, first one, in big MNCs like Texas Instrumentation, these are offering 60,000 to 1,20,000 per month. In our Indian based companies offering 30,000 to 60,000 per month. And in US, Europe, they are offering for the $2,500 to $4,000 per month. These are the best sites for searching a job in India. Indeed, Naukri, Monsters. We have to register on this one. Okay, thank you. Any queries, please contact.